gosh. It's water. Oh, it smells bad. I think there's somebody in here, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, there's a bat right in front of us.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there. Is that a bat? Right there. Oh, you can't even see.
James volunteered to go first.
I mean, bats, we didn't see it.
Oh, he's moving now.
Well, just come up.
Probably poop juice. Oh, freaking turd. Sounds like people are having a party down here.
But I don't hear any voices.
I seen in FaZe Rudd's video where he's kind of waddling, and then he did a part 2 where they brought some like wet boots. If you're gonna come down here, very smart, bring some of those wet boots. Dude, right when we pulled up, like we heard people in here, right?
All these dots. And you still couldn't get to this point, which means this is like the point of no return or something, or what?
Oh, dude, look, there's not much graffiti over here. Maybe there's more.
Many people went past this point. I heard this thing goes on for a long time.
Look, but James is a little tall. But, you know, look at me. There's a lot of water in here.
It doesn't make any sense.
That looks probably really funny. Bro, I heard somebody. Shh. You heard like a woman? Did you hear it? One of those things. See? Hey, you gotta be careful. Look, climb here on the side. Look, can you see me? All right, do that. And then do that.
Can you like this up for me real quick?
I got you.
Right there, that step right this step.
Yeah, I'm just trying to watch my back, bro. I feel like somebody's behind me.
I can't see where the step.
Look, right there. There's a step right, the same place where you're at. There's a step, there's a ladder step. Yep, there you go. Okay.
Bro, is that a spirit that was making that noise? We need to see if there's anybody in here.
Holy crap, bro. This thing just keeps going. How far did this guy go down here?
I don't know, dude.
Bro, that whistling sounded like it was coming like from in here, but you know, this could go down so far that somebody could be on the opposite side of this whistling and we would probably hear them. Just kiss me already. If you guys didn't know, I say this a lot.
Give me a kiss.
All right, come on. We got these back home in Florida. They're called palmetto bugs. They get mistaken for roaches. Come here, give me a kiss. Come here. Here, James. Here.
Freak out of here. Dang, bro, what are you doing?
Okay, sorry, he didn't like James. Where are you going? I want a kiss. I want a kiss. Oh no, don't get down there. I gotta help him out. Here, there you go. No, there you go. Stay safe.
You heard that? Sound like a damn dragon.
Sound like a motor. We're getting to the part of this tunnel where you don't see a whole lot of graffiti. Didn't they say that this goes down like 20 miles or something?
Something like that, yeah.
I'm not trying to walk for 20 miles.
But apparently they said in a 20-minute walk, there's some kind of thing called the pool or something like that. There's some kind of, I guess it's like the big, where all the water congregates.
This is not 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Up there, it's probably more like 40 minutes.
Probably.
You could tell not too many people come this way. This is scary, dude. We are deep in the hole.
I wasn't scared. Well, I was scared, but I wasn't really scared till I heard that whistle. Or whatever the heck it was.
I was just trying to figure out if it was like a bird. Where's all this water coming from? Like, there's no rain today. At least we have a water source if we get thirsty.
Oh, gross.
It's probably good. I mean, look, it's being filtered.
Take a sip.
Nah. Mama roach, daddy roach, teenage roach, toddler roach, and baby roach. How you guys doing? How you doing? Give me a kiss, huh? Yo, I don't think there's anything but tunnel. I mean, there's an arrow here, but there's no graffiti. Like, we're the only idiots that keep walking. We've been walking for a really long time. And, you know, we're older folks, so ain't nobody got time for that. The important thing is, though, is that we're gonna keep walking. I'm not sure if anybody would be doing stuff like this at 3 a.m. By the way, no cell phone reception down here. So if something bad were to happen, and my lights starting to die.
But my light just went out.
Your light just went out?
I just bought this today. What was that, you?
No?
What the hell? What the hell? Run!